What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Aubrey, and if you guys are new here, hi. What's up? Welcome. Before we get started, I'm going to be hosting a giveaway to my shop, Practically Home, where all of my artwork is showcased. It's available for sale. I do originals, digital downloads, and I also do really good affordable prints. So if you guys want to enter that giveaway, keep watching and find out on how you can enter. Pottery Barn is one of my favorite home furniture stores that I just really love. We have one here in our area, and every time my husband and I go there, it's just a place that really reflects my style and my husband's style, and they have like a little bit of modern pieces and some traditional and some transitional pieces, and it's just a really great place that I feel like it really reflects our style. So Pottery Barn is one of my favorite home decor and furniture places to shop at. So I have some really great dupes that I want to show you guys, and if you're not familiar with like what a dupe is, basically just a piece of furniture or a piece of decor that looks identical or very similar to a more expensive item. So the first item I want to show you that I really love from Pottery Barn is their new Cove sofa. It comes in 3 different lengths, the 74, the 90, and the 104. Obviously you can customize this. I've seen this sofa in person, and it's a gorgeous piece. It's big, it's bulky, it's comfortable, and it's also really deep. But it comes with a hefty price tag, and not a lot of people want to spend that on a sofa, and I get it. When buying furniture for a house, it adds up so quickly. World Market has a really great dupe for the Cove sofa. This is their ivory feathered filled Brin sofa. I actually saw this one in person at the World Market location, which is like 40 minutes away from here. But this is a really great sofa. It's very affordable. It's only $1,200. You can actually get an extra 10% off if you do the curbside pickup. But this sofa has 84 reviews and it's 4 stars. And I think this is a really great way to, if you want that white sofa look for your living room, pair it with some really pretty chairs, rug, all that jazz. I think this is a really great option. Something that won't break the bank account, but you definitely get that affordable look and style. Now the one thing about the sofa is it's not very deep. If you are familiar with Pottery Barn sofas, they have that deep seat option, which I am a huge fan of. So this sofa is a little bit more narrow. This is 38 inches deep versus Pottery Barn, which is about 44 to 48 inches deep. So you definitely have that depth difference, but I do think this is a really great option from World Market if you're wanting that really pretty slip-covered white sofa for your living room. Pottery Barn has this chair called the 8-inch. It's a square arm, slip-covered swivel glider, and I think this is such a great chair, but the price though, you're definitely going to be paying a good you're gonna be paying a couple pennies for this chair. It definitely comes in a couple different colors, but I love the way that this chair, I love the shape of it, I love the way it's styled. So a really good dupe for this one is actually from again, World Market, and this chair actually matches the slip-covered sofa that I just talked about. This one from World Market has a little bit more straight and narrow arms. The one from Pottery Barn has just like a slight curved arm to it, but I still think this is a really great dupe, and for the look and the price, this one's only $4.99, and it has 4.5 star reviews. And in the reviews, you guys can look at the pictures. It shows you what the product looks like in different people's homes. And I think it's just a really great chair to accent with. And all of these items will be linked down below so you guys can check them out. Pottery Barn has beautiful coffee tables. There's this one coffee table called the Parquet. I believe I just butchered that, but I believe it's called the Parquet. It's a 36-inch round coffee table, and it's made from a reclaimed wood. This is a $1,000 coffee table, and for the price tag, it is a little bit on the smaller side. But I love the look of this. I love the top of it. I love the reclaimed wood. I think it's just has that vintage look. It has that vintage and warm look to it, and again, it has that modern wrought iron base, which I am a total fan of. So this is a really beautiful coffee table. You can style this so many different ways, but if you love this type of style, I found a really great option that is even more affordable, and it has a very similar look. This one is from Wayfair.com. This is the Pamela coffee table. It's only $279 currently right now on sale as I'm shooting this video. Now the top of this table is obviously not identical to the Pottery Barn table. It's a little bit different. It doesn't have that reclaimed wood look on top, but it's pretty close. But the base of it is actually really similar too. This is a really great option for you guys who are wanting those round coffee tables. But it is the same size as the one from Pottery Barn. So I think this is a really great option. I also love that it has that shelf underneath this table so you can style coffee books, you can put baskets, make it all cute, and you still have more storage instead of just the top storage like the Pottery Barn one. Pottery Barn has this really pretty black dresser called the Sausalito. It's an 8-drawer dresser. They're selling it for about $2,000 and it comes in 3 different finishes. I think this is a really great hefty piece, but I know you can find so many dressers that are like this for a lot less. But anyways, there's this dresser from Wayfair that is really cute. It has a similar look. The pedestals of this dresser are different, but you still get that black finish. You get the 8 drawers, and it's a little bit more traditional. Obviously, you could actually change out the knobs of this dresser to do more of like a satin or like a nickel finish like the Pottery Barn, but I still think this is a really great option. If you're not wanting to spend $2,000 on a dresser, you at least can get one that's very similar and you can style just like the Pottery Barn one. For my giveaway to my shop, I'm gonna choose maybe 2 or 3 winners. I think that's what I'm feeling. To pick out any piece of art from my shop. Hand painted originals are excluded. This is gonna be only for prints only. So to enter my giveaway, you can win 1 free print of your choice in any size, an 8x10, 11x14, or a 16x20. That's what we'll be offering. So you gotta like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below and tell me which print you would love to win from my shop. That's it. And I think we'll probably run this till next Tuesday. Make sure you guys are following my community posts. I will post the winners over there. Pottery Barn has this dining table, which I really, really loved. And I thought this would be such a great dining table to have in our own home. And when I was shopping, I noticed it was a $2,500 dining table, but I loved how many people you could sit at it. I love to host and I love having people over for dinner. That's just kind of one of the things me and my husband love to do. And I fell in love with the look of this dining table. I think it's such a classic piece, but the price point, I was like, The dupe that I actually found for Pottery Barn is from a store called Cove Collective. I've talked about them a couple times. I bought a handful of furniture pieces from their store, the Florence rectangular dining table. And this is listed on their site for $12.75. I think they bumped up their prices just a little bit because I bought this table for like $1,000, which I thought was a killer deal. I thought that was a really great deal on it. But this table actually has 2 extended leaves in it. So you can take the leaves out and it could fit 8 comfortably, or you can put the leaves in and it could seat up to 12. It has a very similar pedestal look like the Pottery Barn one. It's big, it's beefy, and this is just a table that I could just see as having so many holiday meals around, dinner time, friends and family over, and this just makes me so excited to get back to entertaining. So if you guys are looking for a really good dining table that has that really clean, classic look to it, definitely check out this one because I love this one so much. I still haven't found chairs. I am thinking about maybe getting some black chairs with some slip-covered chairs for the ends, but I'm gonna see what this table looks like in the house first before I get chairs. Overall, I did buy this table and I'm so excited for it. Okay, leather chairs. For our living room, I really wanted to have nice leather chairs. I really tried, guys, I'm telling you, I searched high and low for leather accent chairs and they're expensive. Like I could not even find a faux leather one that like looked really nice. It was just like, either leather was like too orange or it was just not the right shade of leather that I was wanting. Pottery Barn had this really beautiful Cameron sloped arm armchair and it comes in all different sorts of real leathers, but it's a hefty price point. They were asking about $1,700, not including taxes, not including shipping. So we were probably looking around $2,000 for one accent chair. And I just couldn't swallow it. And so I found a really good dupe for this chair for our living room. And these chairs that I purchased are actually from Cove Collective as well. And these are stunning chairs. They look even better in person. But these are the Ava Italian leather chairs. And the leather on this chair is so beautiful and it's so perfect. It's 100% genuine Italian leather. And these are actually made in Italy. The grain texture on this leather is like perfectly distressed, perfectly worn in. It is stunning. When I saw these chairs in person, when you sit in it, it's like, you know, you just feel like small and petite, and like it's just like comfy and it's oversized, and that's what I really wanted for our living room. I wanted something that was going to be just comfortable and smells like leather, and they're nice and they're pretty, and these chairs totally do it for me. So these chairs, I believe they were about $1,100 each, which is still pricey, but for a real genuine leather accent chairs, that price is actually pretty great. And these were these are like the prettiest leather chairs that I have been able to find, and so we picked up 2 of these. And those are all the dupes that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys liked them. It's always fun to try and find dupes for items, but it could also be a little tricky at the same time. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to enter my giveaway, like this video, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below to enter, and let me know what print you guys would love to win. If you guys love Pottery Barn dupes, you guys could also check out my video from last year. I'll link it right here down below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.